Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in a simple linear equation. In this video, we will be solving the equation 2 times x plus 3 equals 7. By following a step-by-step process, we will find the value of x that satisfies this equation. So let's get started. Step 1. To begin solving the equation 2x plus 3 equals 7, our goal is to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation. This involves getting rid of the constant term on the same side as the variable. In this case, we want to eliminate the plus 3 from the left side of the equation. To do this, we need to perform an operation that will cancel out the plus 3. The opposite of adding 3 is subtracting 3. So, we will subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. When we subtract 3 from the left side, the equation 2x plus 3 minus 3 becomes 2x because plus 3 and minus 3 cancel each other out. When we subtract 3 from the right side, the equation 7 minus 3 becomes 4. Thus, after performing these operations, the equation is altered to 2x equals 4. This new equation means that 2 times the variable x is equal to 4. Step 2. With the equation now simplified to 2 times x equals 4, our next goal is to solve for the variable x by further isolating it. Currently, the variable x is being multiplied by 2. To remove the multiplication by 2 and solve for x, we need to perform the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. So we will divide both sides of the equation by 2. Dividing the left side, where we have 2 times x divided by 2, results in x, because 2 divided by 2 equals 1, leaving us with 1 times x. Because multiplying by 1 does not change the value, we are left simply with x. Next, we divide the right side of the equation, where 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Thus, after performing these operations, the equation is altered to x equals 2. This means our original equation 2x plus 3 equals 7 has now been solved for the variable x. The value of x is 2. This is the final step in solving the equation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.